So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy AAVE crypto on the Kraken application. I believe it's pronounced that. Maybe it's pronounced Aave or Aave. I don't know. But AAVE. That's the currency we're looking to buy here. So if you wanted to purchase this one, go to the bottom, press on Explore. Then at the top where it says Search, as I mentioned before, type in AAVE. At the top, go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom and press on Buy AAVE and type in the amount you're looking to buy. So if you wanted to buy, for this example, $50 worth, you can press on 50 or whatever number you're looking for. It'll show you how much AAVE coin you're buying. If all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow. Then once you're here to kind of review your transaction, you can see the amount, the price, the Kraken fee, and the total. If you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then follow the next steps for this transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy AAVE crypto on the Kraken application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.